Hello folks, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to check out how we can pass data through a command line, through a command line argument, we can say, to our Flutter application. So I have already one application running over here having a title saying Codify, my YouTube channel name. So we are going to pass some data from the command line argument, and we are going to see if it is working or not. So for that we have one command line argument called dart define, and you can pass on data to the dart define and you can get that particular data in your application. So let's do this. So I'm going to first show you how we can do it from the console, and then I'll show you how we can do it from the IDE itself. So let's get started. uh, so first of all, we are going to write flutter build, sorry, flutter run. I'm going to stop this application. I'm going to write flutter run dart define and equal to, then I'm going to pass my mm, particular value to the dart define. It is kind of a key pair value, so I'm going to first define my key. So let's say a name, a build name, and equal to what value so we should assign to this particular key. So let's say it's a stable build. So and yeah, that's it, and then press enter. So it will try to run this application, and in the dart side, in the flood side, we have to write this command constant string from environment, and we have to use that command, this syntax, and using that syntax we are going to get the data. So I have in defined the build name over here. I'm going to write down build name, and let's also change this variable as well, and we will use this build name over here instead, and we will see if the stable is coming over here or not. And why we are going to use constant, because when we pass data something through a car like this using a dart define, it is going to initialize at the time of compilation, so we have to write it down as a constant. We have to get it as a constant only because it's a constant. And so our app is running. Currently it is showing the codify. Instead we are going to pass now our build name over here, and I'm going to just press on R, small r, and hot load it and see the stable is comes up now. So this is how we can get the data. Now let's see how we can, let's quit this application first and let's see how we can get it, using our IDE only, Android Studio. I prefer Android Studio mostly. So go to the edit configuration over here. You have to pass on like this. So this is a dart define. This is the additional argument we have to pass on. Dart define equal to build type. It's the same way we have passed into the command line tool, terminal. And then I have also passed the second argument, dart define again, and version 2, version as a 2. So this will also get me a two kind of data, build type, also version. So let's try running it. I'm going to run it, and let's meanwhile get this data version, and version over here. Make sure you write the same key name over here that you use in the dart define, because these key names are case sensitive. And let's use this version over here, and let's wait for our build to run. It may take some time, a few seconds probably. And here we go. something is surely wrong. Okay, so I have written over here a build type. I have to get the build type actually. So I'm just going to copy it and paste it over here, build type, and just save. See, so we are getting stable and version as a 2, as we have mentioned over here. So when we are going to use this kind of stuff, so we may have a case for the live applications, for the production level application, that we want to pass, uh, let's say a base URL, as per our flavor. Suppose they build should have a different base URL, and staging build should have a different base URL for our API calls. So at that time, this Dart define can help you to get the different base URLs for according to your requirement. So you can use Dart define for the same case. Yeah. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for hearing me. If you like this video, click on the like button. Please subscribe to my channel and ring the bell icon if you want to get the notification of my next video. Thank you so much.